awenzi mina se-Eden angena isono uNkulunkulu uqalekisa umfazi uqalekisa inyoka mali indoda sangayiqalekisi abanye bathi achapalo wathi indoda izosebenza kanzima engasisiqalekisi ngoba uNkulunkulu bekafuna indoda ezosebenza hamba ufunda iscripture uNkulunkulu akafika kulo mfazi uthi what is it that I have done uthi kyk die slang let me verlei yizwa before that ubuza lenyoka uthi what is it that you have done uthi because of what you have done you shall sail on your belly for the rest of your life which indicates inyoka bengahambi ngamathumbi behamba njengoJapan Strait mali isiqalekiso saphula wonke amathambo yes amen yes Now ufuna sikhulume le uzongithola ku-YouTube na TikTok I tell you inyoka did not say it that's why uNkulunkulu ngenxa yalowo uzohamba ngamathumbu which mean bengahambi ngamathumbu madisiqalekiso sayenza umfazi uthi uzobeletha nzima which mean it was not part of a woman ukuthi ukubeletha must be part of the process of pain nakafika endodeni wathini ufuna ngintshele ngisasenamba bazalwane give the Lord a hand of praise ni number namhlanje ngizowathola amen beyashokhe nakafika endodeni baba yaziwathini uNkulunkulu nakabheka uAdam asana mqalekise ayena ngicela ukuthi lento leyo let's unlearn as daai is leen van die put van hel die Here het nooit vir Adam vervloek nie die Here no uNkulunkulu azange amqalekise uAdam kube waqalekise uAdam uNkulunkulu lesiqalekiso besoshaya yena ngoba i-image kaJoka kwaNkulunkulu beyiphakathi kwaAdam so uNkulunkulu akaqalekise uAdam kufanele ukuthi yaziqalekisa nakathi Adam uqalekisiwe usho ukuthi uNkulunkulu mina ngiqalekisile and bekazosiqalekisa that's why nakabheka uAdam uNkulunkulu azange athi uyacurse mara wathi Adam curse is the ground wathi umhlabathi uqalekisiwe ngenxa yakho azange athi wena uqalekisile wathi umhlabathi amen Nangishwa bazalwane so mama please ngiyabona isimali isukile mara umfazi owaqalekiswa hayi indoda ngoba indoda lalela beyakutshela indoda no matter how illiterate it can be umfazi no matter how educated she can be she will never take the position of the man according to God This is a God-given thing. Akusinto ezokuthi uhlala edeskini and you manifest your thoughts in blacks and white. No, into uNkulunkulu wayifaka but that's why. Indoda nawayihloniphi. Akusiwe wayihloniphi uNkulunkulu. Indoda nayo honorisha. Akusuwe honorishayo uNkulunkulu. Odelela isilisa, udelela uJehova umenzile. Othuka isilisa, uthuka uJehova umenzile. Ngoba i-image kaJehova iphakathi kwaAdam.